Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla was up today $6.45. This equals to 0.82%. We closed at 791.94. Post-market, we are down 1 cent. What does this look like on the chart? So we have a green candle. So we made some move up today. The high of the day was 801. So we are again breaking 800. This has happened 4 times. So it started September 21st. So we are really going for the 800 number. And we made a higher low. So this is a good news. And we made a higher high. And we now have a green candle. So we are still following this support line, this diagonal support line that is across the bullish channel that we have here. So far, this pattern is still in place. So this is an ascending triangle. So we have one part of the triangle that is right here, another part of the triangle that is right here. So we have a 90-degree angle right here. This is what makes it ascending. So this horizontal line is just horizontal. And this line here is the ascending one. Anyway, I should not start teaching geometry here. But this is an ascending triangle, and the pattern in technical analysis is that the stock should be able to break the horizontal line, which is acting as a resistance. So far, so good. The pattern is still in place. Let's go see the 1-hour chart to understand a little bit more what happened. So this is the first hour of the day. So we have a pretty nice first hour. We went pretty up pretty fast. So we started at 787, went all the way up to, as I mentioned, 801.23, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And then we had a little bit of a pullback, and we stayed above 791.86. So 791.86, as you can see here, I am not inventing this, but 781.86 is an interesting support, or I should say 791.81. 791.81, 81, please. This is a intraday support. I'm just going to show it on the hour chart here. Second hour was above 791, third, fourth, fifth, sixth went sixth, try to go higher, try to get close to. So the 6th hour went up to 799.40, close to 800, but then was squished down here and also squished down on the last hour here. What is a little bit more sad is that for this last candle here, we have stochastic that went below 50. Stochastic was maintaining itself right here, but because of this rejection here, that played on the stochastic. So this is very short term. It can change tomorrow. Let's go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, what is happening to our indicators? So stochastic is getting higher, so that's good news. 84.68. RSI is good. MACD still crossed over bearish, but if we have a little move above 800, the MACD is going to switch back, and DMI is still super, super bullish. So far, the pattern, the asymmetrical triangle pattern is holding. So this is what I am going by, and we are inching up towards the 800. And of course, don't forget the earnings call happening on October 20th. That will catalyze a lot of things. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. Happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Canadians. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.